talking about the Suzukis all the time. And I'm with Clarissa. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Tell me a bit about your Suzuki Cappuccino.
So it's actually from Japan. It was a show car and got imported about 5 years ago. The woman who owned it before, she had bucket seats in it and everything. It was really, really tidy. It's 1995, 660cc, weighs about 650 kilograms, but it's 120 brake.
Really? So that is rapid then for this. Like, if it only weighs that amount, if it only weighs that, basically. Wow. So tell me about the colour, the wheel.
So it was originally white. It came like this, but I've just had it fully refurbished, all repainted, bodywork all done again by some guys in Stoke-on-Trent. All the alloys and everything originally all from Japan. I haven't changed anything about them yet. That's next on the to-do list. Yeah. But no, scariest thing is driving it on the motorway. It's not fun. Not fun on the motorway.
Is it not? What is it? Is it back end? Is it front? Is it rear wheel drive? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. What is it? Does it really bumpy? Is it? Or?
It's just the lorries. When the lorries come past, it just rattles you to no end, and you're like, oh my god, can they see me?
Okay. So what's the next thing you'll do to it?
Alloys are on the list. Yeah. I do want to change the alloys and speakers. I think some cool speakers will be nice in it.
Well, keep those users. They're expensive. People may not think so, but they are worth quite a lot.
I don't know much about them, but we went to Tegwe in Stoke not long ago.
They're good friends of ours.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And one of the guys said to me, like, you don't see them very often at all. He was like, so keep hold of him. So I think I just want to refurb him, just give him a bit of a clean, but...
Tell me a bit about this wing. Did this is the wing standard of it? Can we just go around the back of the car? Yeah. Wow. Wow, look at the back of this. It's wonderful. Yeah, so tell me a little about it. Just stand there.
Again, it came from Japan with this on it. The only thing is, it's that heavy that when you unlock the boot, you have to hold it all at once. You can't just unlock it because it just closes again.
Right, okay.
It's just too heavy for the car. But yeah, this is from Japan as well. All the body kit's from Japan.
This is proper Jap. This is like absolutely proper Jap.
Just didn't want to touch it. I don't want to change too much of it.
Do you have an Instagram for the car at all?
Not at the moment. I use my personal one for it, which is Clarissa Jane Doxy. But I will set one up. I've promised myself I need to set one up now with all the car shows.
Thank you so much, and thank you for your time. We love this car.
Thank you.